Hey guys, this is part 1 of our DIY Inground pool project. This past Saturday, my wife and I officially got started. We began by removing the rails around the deck, and then we started taking the pool apart. Before all that though, we used a submersible pump to drain it. Once it was empty, it was time to start demo. About a week before this, I posted the pool and deck on Marketplace for free because honestly, I really didn't want to deal with hauling all of it away. Honestly, that might have been one of the smartest decisions in this whole project. Sometimes making no money is actually the best deal. We got to meet some really good people, help them out, and in the process, they ended up helping us out too, so it really worked out well for everybody. Sunday morning, the people who claimed it came out and helped with the rest of the teardown. This was such a blessing because the easiest part of this demo was making sure my kids didn't get hurt, and that's saying something. While my wife and I worked on removing the pool, they started taking apart the deck. Once we got the pool knocked out, we jumped over and helped with the deck demolition too. And we ended up getting a lot done. This weekend, the plan is to remove the other side of the deck, and they're coming back to help haul the rest away. After that, it's time for the next big step, digging the hole for the new in-ground pool. I still haven't fully decided if I want to rent an excavator and do it myself or just hire it out. So let me know in the comments what you would do. And make sure you like and subscribe so you can follow along and see how this whole project turns out. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to leave your thoughts down below.